guys, I'm here in the souvenir shop. Sa galingan sa inyong souvenir shop, dai? Ha? Ini sila. Sila na imong kuan lucky ring catcher. Ha? How much? 50? Wala, ganan po. Tininggan po ba? Ang, ha? Dream catcher, ha? Ang gagmay maoy, 50. Ang kining, kini?
Ganito siya, 199.
Nakuha akong budget, ha? Una siya ang Friday na sales lady. Makuha ko na yung ganahan sa... Ini, cute naman po siya, no? Kila ni?
99 doon siya, ma'am.
Ila?
99. Sabi may nga ni mag-14.
Eh, kung discount. Uy. Ha, give me discount later, ha? Wala, makukuhaan, ani. 15, no?
Pinatan siya.
Just minana ko na siya. Ang dream catcher, ganun. This is the magnific kan. Ganahan na bitaw suod kay giinita na bitaw. Ninaganahan mo gawas. There you go. Cute silang pouch. Gila na yung pouch. Look at Tarsier here. Here, oh, Tarsier. Tarsier. It's very sikat, Tarsier. The other side, if you want nitty bag here, 80 bags. Here, na pulay pouch. Pila puning pouch. Also have pouch here. Pila na imong wallet dahil kanina. Ha? Nanang. Pretty. Cute buhal. Ling-or ba siya? No? Kini inani na style, day? Inani na wallet. Oh, okay. They're also there. Unsa ni gitawag ani? Display bottle. Hans! And also here, display bottles, and expensive cars here. Look, expensive cars here. Also here. 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 And also they have also sleepers here. Love many magnetic ano. Look how cute. Yan ni Dine. Cute. 150. Oh, a dream catcher. Kini no expensive no. Dream catcher. Shell here. Also here. And here's other side. So, wala, so cute, oh. 999, no? This is Super nice. Look. Thanks for watching. Bye.